Unlike when adding fractions where you have to find a common denominator, multiplying fractions, you don't have to find a common denominator. And what you do is you just multiply straight across. I do 1 times 2, and that gives me a 2 on top. And then I do 4 times 3, that gives me 12 in the denominator. And we're not done. This is the correct answer, but this can be further reduced. And since both 2 and 12 are divisible by 2, I can do 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. And this is the final answer. Let's look at a few more examples. In this example, we have 7 times 2 on top, which gives me 14. And in the denominator, it's 8 times 5, that gives me 40. And while this answer is correct, it has to be simplified. So they're both even, so they're divisible by 2. So 14 divided by 2 is 7, and 40 divided by 2 is 20. Now 7's a prime number and 20 is not a multiple of it, so that one's finalized. Now in this example, we just multiply straight across again, and we have 10 times 3 is 30. And in the denominator, we have 13 times 4. We can go off to the side if you're not able to do it in your head. And we get 52. Now both 30 and 52 are divisible by 2, so I can divide 30 divided by 2 is 15. And 52 divided by 2 is 26. Now, this is divisible by 3, but this is not, and I can tell it's not divisible by 3 because if I add 2 plus 6, I get 8, and if a number's divisible by 3, then adding up the digits would be also divisible by 3. So this is finalized, and that's our answer.